In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to resize partition or extend drive partition in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. In my case, okay, let me just show you my desk PC to completely show you that I have only two drive partition here. So this C drive partition as well as this D drive partition. And in order to extend or resize a specific partition here in your Windows 11, all you need to do is you need to navigate first here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Disk Management. So here at the Disk Management, you'll get to see all of the list of drives or the available disk partition or the volume that are present in your Windows 11. So from that, all you need to do is you need to expand it first and you need to select the primary partition that you would like to create or that you would like to resize with. So by that, make a right click and go with this shrink volume. The moment you do it, you'll be able to see the small window where here it will ask you to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So here you need to ensure that the amount of space to shrink on MB must not be greater than the total size before the shrink in MB. So you can refer it here. So just have to set the amount of the size that you would like to shrink in MB. In my case, I would like to go with 1000 MB. So go with shrink. Okay. And there you can see that a new partition has been created, but it's unallocated. So by that, we need to create a new simple volume. So we need to make a right click, go with new simple volume. Then here in the small window, click on next, assign a following drive letter. So select any of this drive letter, go with the next button, click on this down arrow key and choose among of this three file system. Go with the next and click on finished and wait for some time until it would be successfully created. So that's it. The moment you are being redirected here automatically to this file explorer, that would mean that we have successfully resized or created or extend our partition here in our Windows 11. Okay. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.